Good morning, friends. I hope everyone is doing well. I request everyone to watch my videos in a sequence for better understanding. In this video, I want to discuss one of the gate question which came in the year 2020. Let me read out the question. A computer system with a word length of 32 bits has 16 MB byte addressable main memory and a 64 KB 4-way set associated to cache memory is there with a block size of 256 bytes. Consider the following physical address represented in hexadecimal notation A1, A2, A3, A4. Which of the following is true? They have given 4 options. Option A they have mentioned as A1 and A4 mapped to different cache sets. A1 and A3 mapped to same sets. A3 and A4 mapped to same set. And A2 and A3 mapped to same set. So we need to identify which is the option is right answer. So if you see this question, it is related to set associativity. Okay. Now in set associative, the physical address is divided into block offset, set number and tag bits. This total one we will call it as a physical address bits. If you see that they have given that it is a 16 MB byte addressable main memory. So 16 MB is nothing but 2 power 4 is the 16 and MB is 2 power 20. So total physical address is 24 bits. So total physical address is 24 bits. Out of that one, block size is 256 bytes. If block size is 256 bytes, 256 can be written as 2 power 8. If you have 256 byte address is there, you need minimum 8 bits. So block offset have the 8 bits. Now we need to calculate the set numbers. Means how many sets we have in the cache memory we need to find. How can we identify number of sets? First I need to identify the number of lines in the cache memory. Number of lines in cache memory is equal to cache memory size by cache memory size by the block size or line size, because the block size is equal to the line size. What is the cache memory size they have given? 64 KB. And what is the block size they have given? 256 bytes. So if I divide it, it is 2 power 16 by 2 power 8. I will get 2 power 8 cache lines are there. Okay, let me write it here. I have 2 power 8 cache lines are there. Now I need to identify the number of sets. How I will get the number of sets? The number of sets in the cache memory, is equal to number of lines in the cache memory, divided by the set associative. What is the set associative here? 4-way set associative. I have to divide by 4. Number of lines is equal to 2 power 8 divided by 2 power 2. I will get 2 power 6. So 2 power 6 sets are there. If 2 power 6 sets are there, how many bits are required to recognize one of the set? You will have 6 bits. So total 24 bits are there. 14 bits are allocated for set number and block offset. You have 10 bits for the tag. Okay. So this is the way the physical address is divided. Now we will see each one. Consider the following physical address represented in hexadecimal notation. They have given a hexadecimal notation. So with this one also we can understand that it is a hexadecimal notation. So what is the actual number? 42C8A4. Now I need to convert into binary number so that I can fit it into 24 bits. Now how can I convert into binary number? As it is a hexadecimal number, each number or each digit I need to convert into 4-bit binary number. 4 I can represent as, let me see, 4 I can represent as 0, 1, 0, 0. And A is nothing but what? A is for 10 in the hexadecimal. If 10 is there, okay, so 10, then binary number how I will convert? 1 0 1 0. Okay, and then you have 8. 8 how I will write? 1 0 0 0. And you have C. What is the C? C is 12. Am I right? If A is 10, B is 11 and C is 12. Okay. So 12 how you will represent in the binary format? 1100. You can convert into binary number. Okay. And then you have 2. 2 can be represented as 010. Sorry. 0010. Then you have 4 which is 0100. So this is your 24-bit number which is in a hexadecimal you convert into binary number. If you want to verify, you can verify 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24 bits. So you got the 24 bits physical address. Out of this they are asking the set number. Now please remember one thing. How we will say that a particular block belongs to set, which set it belongs to, I will identify with the help of set number. Am I right or wrong? Then I will go to the particular set. So how I will get it? First 8 bits. First 8 bits belongs to block offset. I am not worrying about the first 8 bits. The remaining next 6 bits. Next 6 bits is this one. 0 0 1 0 0. 8 bits are belongs to block offset. Next 6 bits are belongs to set number. Remaining 10 bits are belongs to tag. So A1, let me write here. A1 is going to set number 0 0 1 0 0 0. Am I right? Okay. Now we will go for the A2. A2 we will represent in 24 bits. How I will represent in 24 bits? 8 is 1 0 0 0. Another again 8 is there. 1 0 0 0. 8 1 0 0 0 is there. Then 6. 6 is nothing but 4 2 0 0. Okay. 4 plus 2 is 6. And then you have 4 1 0 0. Then you have 4, you have done 5. This is 1 0 1. So this is your 24 bits. 4 plus 2 8 12 24 bits are there. First 8 bits are belongs to block offset. Then the remaining next 6 bits. These 6 bits belongs to set number. What it is? 1 0 1 0 0 0. Okay. Now we will see the A3. What is A3? A3 is 6A2A96C. Okay, C is what? 12. Convert into binary number 1100. 9 is 8 plus 0 1 is 9. Okay. Then 8 1 000. Okay. 2 is what? 0 0 1 0. Then A is what? Again 10. 8 plus 2 is 10. See why I am writing it as 2 as 0 0 1 0? Because I need to represent in 4 bits. If you don't know how I have done, in one of the earlier video I have discussed how to convert a hexadecimal to octal number. There I have discussed why should you represent 4 bits representation, because hexadecimal is base 16. So that's why you have to represent in 4 bits numbers when you are converting into binary. Okay, so where I was in A, and then 6 is what? 6 is 4 plus 2 is 6. So you got 24 bits. Out of the 24 bits, first 8 bits are block offset. Next 6 bits belongs to the set number. So A3 will have the set number as, let me write here. I hope it is visible for you, or let me write here. A3 is having the set number 101000. This is A3 set number. Now we will see the A4 set number. How I will get? Again I need to convert into the binary number, whatever the hexadecimal number they have given. So 4 zeros, then 8 100, then again you have 8 100, 4 0 100. E is there. E is what? 14. Okay. 14 how you will write? 8 plus 4 plus 2 0. This is the 14. And 5 is what? 0 1 0 1. This is 5. Okay, so you got the 20 bits, 24 bits. Now you can see 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6, 6 4s are 24. So first 8 bits belongs to block offset. Next to 6 bits belongs to offset. So what is the A4 offset number? Sorry. What is the A4 set number? 00100. So this is A3's, this is A4 set number. Now we have to check which is the option is right. We got the set numbers for all the A1, A2, A3 and A4. Now we need to verify which set is matching. They are saying that A1 and A4 map to different sets. What is A1 set number? A1 set number is, let me write here, A1 set number is 00100. A2 is what? 101000. Okay. A3 is what? 101000. A4 is what? 001000. Now they are saying that A1 and A4, let me write. A1 and A4 map to different sets. What is A1? 00100. Even A4 is also 00100. Both are same, but they are saying A1 and A4 map to different catch sets. Are you able to understand? Because both the set numbers are same, then they belongs to same set, but they are saying that different sets. So option A is not the right answer. Now we will see A1 and A3 map to the same sets. What is the A1? 00100, but this is 10100. So they are different, so it is not belongs to same sets. Now A3 and A4 map to same sets. A3 is this one and A4 is this one. Both are different. 10100. This is 00100. So both are different. It does not belongs to same set. Now you have the option D. Left we will verify. A2 and A3. A2 is what? 101000. And this is also 10100. So they both belongs to same sets. What is the set number if you want to verify? This is what? 10100. So this is 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 4. This is 8, 16, 32. So A2 belongs to set number 40 and even A3 belongs to set number 40. So they both belongs to same set. Okay. So the right answer for this question is option D. See, maybe the option may change the order, but what is the correct answer is A2 and A3 mapped to the same set. Okay. In my given options, the right answer is option D. So if you have any doubts related to this question, feel free to ask me in the comment section. I will clear your doubts in less than 24 hours. Thank you for watching my video. Have a nice day.